I'm Vihan. Welcome to Windmill Funbox Season 2. Today, I'm going to make a puppet in the easiest way possible. You will need a paper bag, some white glue, googly eyes, and some colored paper. I have cut the paper and made a face, a nose, ears, eyes, a belly and arms. First, we will stick the face. Now, we are going to stick the googly eyes. We are going to stick the nose. Next, we are going to stick the belly. Now, we are going to stick the ears. Until it's dry. Now we will stick the arms. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. When you make your own puppets at home, remember to send us a picture in the comments below.